Hey guys, this is Poet Spice Jamie Lola Tallulah, and I am here to do an unboxing of the April kit from the Not Too Shabby shop, you guys. Oh, it's so cool because she's got paper, she's got ephemera, and she's got stamp sets. So you definitely need to head on over. Look in the description box below. You will see links to the store, the shop, the Facebook page. There's a discount code, and you'll definitely want to go check out these products. So check out. Now, it is called the Lazy, let me make sure I got it right, Lazy Day. Woo, child. So, of course, if you don't know, there is the shop. Not Too Shabby shop. And you can put the hashtag to show your creations. And there were some little sequins in my little package. So how cute is that? So let's show the ephemera. This is the only package I didn't open. So you can see it comes in this package. So let's check out these ephemera pieces. So you can see this here. Yes. Ephemera die cut pieces. And I don't know. Are they stickers? Nope, I don't think they're stickers. Maybe they are stickers. I don't think so. It doesn't say on there. So, but you can see they got some chocolate, the macarons, some little flowers. Look at her. So cute. And I like that there is a brown girl. Love these flowers. A cream girl. I'm digging that. I love the little mask. You know what? I wonder, does anybody use these to sleep? I need to know, because I like it pitch black when I'm trying to sleep. And I need to try to figure out if that actually works. Look at that kitty. So how cute is that? You know I love some tea. I'm not real big on macarons as far as, like, you know, eating them. But I do like me some tea, and I do love reading a good book. Yeah, I need to check into this mask. And if anybody has one that they recommend, or, you know, you just want to send me a present. There you go. So there's this one. Time to relax, baby. Ooh. So, yes. Little teacup. You got some donuts. Coffee. See, I'm not a big coffee. I can't even say I'm not a big coffee drinker. I don't drink coffee. But I know some of my girls out there do. I don't even know if I still have guys who watch my channel, but if you do, maybe they do too. Maybe they drink some coffee. I don't drink coffee. I'm a tea and hot chocolate lady. Okay, so then, I don't know. Let's go with the stamp sets because they're on top. So there are 3 stamp sets. Time to relax. These little bit, I think she's so cute. She's got her little neck pillow on. And the little bathtub. Always love the bathtub. And so you see the images reflected in the stamps. And it says, what does this say? Look fabulous and be awesome. What? And you know, of course, this looks so cute with the Anna Griffin. So you know what I'm gonna do. You know. So this one is not today. Not today, Satan. Not today. Bianca Del Rio. Little chocolate. Look at those socks. Need coffee. Adulting is hard. You can always cut that coffee out and put, you know, something else there. Need tea. Need hot chocolate. It's okay to take a break. Love the chair. She's getting her music on. Look at the little kitty. Got some books and a little couch. So cute. So you gotta go check this one out. Adorable. And I forget who she said designed them. I don't know. I don't see the name. But anyway. Okay, and then there's 2 paper packs. One is the Lazy Day Basics. And so it comes in this plastic thing. And you can see them here. And there's 24 double-sided sheets. So you have this. It's got like a little gold, is that gold or is it green? It looks like gold and green speckles in it. And then you have your couch. And you have this kind of, well, that's cute. And then you have this one with that background. This one with, ooh, you know I love that purple. I like this green too. And you've got that on the back. Ooh, I like this pattern. And then these purple hearts. So that's the basics. And then you have the Lazy Day. And it is 24 double-sided as well. So, and these are 6x6, by the way. I mean, you could probably figure that out, but just to let you know. So you've got your tea and cocoa macarons. And this one. Okay, and so this one you have 2 of each design. Like this side. And then here, is that a unicorn? I think that's a unicorn. Little coffee, donuts and chocolate. The couch with the kitty. Ooh, I like this side. Got this one and that. This makes you just want to cut out the little girls. And the bath. That's cute. Oh, I like the orange. Orange kitty. The kitty's reading a book. Check it out. Get your edumacation on, kitty kitty. Little cups. Purple. Flowers. I don't know. This reminds me of a jungle scene, even though it's not. And that one. And then you have this out in the field. And that. That'd be fun. I think I might end up cutting some of these out as little pieces. Okay, so that is the Lazy Day collection. You got your 2 paper packs, your 3 stamp sets, and your ephemera pieces. So definitely go check out the shop, and thanks for watching. And don't forget that we will be posting some videos on Jamie's actual channel, the Not Too Shabby channel, as well as our own channel. So definitely go make sure you check out both. And don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and like and a comment over there, as well as over here. And check out all the other people on the design team. See you guys later. Be safe out there. And have a lazy, relaxing day.